Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Tailgate Thursday. I kind of got everything all pulled out on the tailgate. I'm going to be doing a grilled cheese and I'm going to do some tomato soup because that combo is just a pure win every time. So, let's get busy. Alrighty, I kind of already pulled everything out of here, but I just shot another video. So, always rocking with the content. Why? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna be using the Sterno stove today because I really like this. I'm gonna use a Trangia burner to warm up my soup, but then I'm gonna use the Trangia Set to cook the grilled cheese on. So we're kind of getting a stove plosion today. Come on, stove, come together. There we go. Alright. Cool. So we got that. Got my spirit burner here. Got my fluid. Oh, where's the soup? Oh, here it is. The soup today is going to be the we get the Campbell's Classic Tomato. Now, what was this one? Because I don't think I have to add any milk or water to it. It's basically just heat it up, and you just heat it up and heat it up, and then pour it back in the can. And you just sip out of it, which is why it's the sipping cup or sipping soup. I don't think I've actually ever eaten this soup before. I mean, I've eaten tomato soup, but I've never bought these sippers before. I'm going to warm it up in a canteen cup. This is the one I cooked I used the fire starter. Remember how much soot there was on it? And cleaned up just fine. So, get this ready to go. Don't want to melt my this thing upside down again. No, that should be the right way. The tab should be down. You know what? I don't care if it's upside down or not, because if it works, it works. Actually, it might actually be upside down. We'll just run with it. Whatevs. As long as it works, that's all that matters. The lid down. Plop in the... Oh, it might be right side up because of the things. A little awkward, I don't know. So, that's ready to rock and roll. I'm going to need the simmering because I don't want to burn my soup. Actually, I hope you can see that. There we go. I'm going to clear the tailgate a little bit and get my Trangia. Alright, I was a little worried I didn't have my adapter, but got it right here. I'm going to be using the Trangia burner. Hasn't been out in a while. Get this off. This is a new can of fluids, so gotta be careful not to have a flame up fireball, which was actually pretty funny, but also a little bit messed up. Alright, so where's the notch? Okay, tailgate's not totally flat, so I'm a little bit nervous. So that's ready to rock. So I'm going to want these out. Pen will go like that. Got my flame ready. Let's get the spirit burner lit. Alright. Let's see if I can do this right over the top. Cool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that prime, and once it's fully going, then I'll put the simmer ring on and then put the soup on. You got the soup right here. Don't really need to. Might be better with. Yeah, it looks alright. This one was like $2 too. It's like pretty cheap. And only 140 calories. Alright, so we're going to go with the simmering. Sweet. Get the soup on. Sweet. Everything's rolling along nicely. Now let's see if we get a flame up with this stove. Well, I may wait a moment because the soup just went on, so I want to try to time it so I can eat the grilled cheese and then have the have the soup warm, because it's still cold when the grilled cheese is done. It won't be a good. So I'm waiting for my soup, but I was noticing, man, fall really has taken its toll in this area. We had some really high winds yesterday, heavy rain. Excuse me. It's season of change. Got the truck going. Oh, leaves everywhere. Been meaning to. It kind of looks like there's a kind of a game trail that cuts right up here, right beside that tree. That's right here. It looks like a game trail. Been meaning to come up here someday and go trekking up there, see what's out there. Just because I'm curious. There's actually a trail system just down the road a little bit, which I've been on before. It's kind of a cool trail, but I thought I'd share the scenery, what I'm looking at while I'm cooking. Let's have a little peek down into the canteen. Nice. I think I gotta stir. Also, by licking the spoon, I'll have a good idea of the temperature. Still room temp, but it's not a race, so I guess I'll go ahead and prep my sandwich real quick. Just your standard white bread with good old American cheese. Yeah, we're going 3 slices today. We're gonna do it upright. Try to make sure there's cheese in every bite. Although I do have to admit, I like cheddar cheese on my grilled cheese, but it's all good. American cheese is good as well, so. Classic American. Love it. Alright, we're starting to see some action from the soup, so I'm going to go ahead and get my pan going. Let's see if we get a fireball this time. No, I guess we didn't. So the plan is I'm going to put I'm just going to put a knob. This butter is way too hard to spread on this. So I'm just going to put a knob in a pan and then let it melt, and then put the grilled cheese right in the in the melted butter. And then hopefully it'll absorb the butter. It'll absorb the butter and then grill it nicely. At least that's the hope. It might sound like I'm scratching the pan, but I'm not. I'm just, you know, it's a metal knife. I mean, what are you going to do? Wow, this pan is not fully level, so I'm just going to do this and do that. Sweet. This should be good. I'm actually looking forward to this one. We'll do a quick soup check. I'm starting to see a little bit of steam. I almost said smoke. Steam. I like that there's not a whole lot in here either. Oh yeah. Oh, it's heating up nice. Gotta hand it to Campbell's. They do a... Alright, so I've got my knob of butter prepped right here on the knife. So the idea is when I lift this up to flip it, I'm going to put the knob in and then wait a few moments for it to melt and then throw the bread and then flip the sandwich over and put the bread in. Let's give it a check. Oh, it's ready for flippage. Might be a little too hot, which means I might turn the heat down a bit. Done with the butter. See, it absorbed it all like I had planned on. Oh, that's not bad at all. So the temp might be good, but I might kick it down just a little bit. Well, it does look nice and golden though. I think I was worried about this spot right here, but just a little droppage. There we go. Nice. Golden brown goodness. Let's see. Oh yeah, you hear that? Nice. Damn it, got a little toasty on the bottom. I even turned the heat down. Unbelievable. I flipped it quick so I wouldn't burn it. It's not too bad. It just got a little toasty. Damn. Alright, well. Soup's heating up. Soup's pretty much hot now. I just kind of scooted it back more away from the heat just so it would stay, you know, warm but not get too cold. Okay, that's ready to go. Let's get that grilled cheese out. Go ahead and kill the heat on this. There we go. Easy. Except, there we go. Jeez. Alright, wind is kicking up a little bit, so got my soup. I'm gonna try to, you know what? I actually have a little pair of tongs to close the simmer ring. I must have taken them out. Darn it. Well, no problem. I want to kill my burner. I just take my bandana. Oh, are you gonna be like that on me? Butthead. Wow, I can feel the heat through the... I think they should have like another lid just for snuffing out the thing. I should have done it. Alright, let's get to it. Grilled cheese. Tomato soup. Alright, the wind just started to kick up, so try the soup. Oh yeah. Try the grilled cheese. Nice and cheesy. A little dark, but no big deal. And of course, you know, you gotta dip it. Oh man. Simplicity at its finest. Man, that's good.